Do you want to make one color stand out in a black and white video? In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to isolate a single color in DaVinci Resolve, transforming your edits from ordinary to extraordinary in just a few simple steps. With our video added to the timeline, we're going to go over to the color page. And once in the color page, we're going to take our video and make it a black and white by selecting the monochrome on the RGB selection. So once it is black and white, we're going to go up to the color node and we're going to add a node and add a new layer. With the new layer selected, we're going to then take the qualifier eyedropper and take this eyedropper for the picker, select the color that we want to add to the video. If we don't get it all the first time, just keep adding with the eyedropper with the plus sign until DaVinci sees all of the colors that you're going for. With that all selected, then we can go back to our timeline and play it, and once we do, we see that the color is isolated in the timeline.